Press and hold the center power button to power on the bike. Hold down the plus and minus buttons simultaneously to reach the settings menu. Scroll down and press the center button to select the battery lock page, and then press it once again to unlock and eject the battery. Place your hand below the battery to support it. Once the top end of the battery is disengaged, press the handle to release the battery and lift it out of the bike. With the bike inverted, cut the zip tie securing the motor cable to the frame, and then disconnect the motor connection by pulling the two motor connection plugs apart. Use a 2.5mm hex wrench to remove the two bolts that secure the controller cover plate. Lift up the controller cover plate to access the cable connections. Remove the small cable cover plate and then use a 3mm hex wrench to remove the bolt securing each of the three cables to the controller. Note the color coordination of the cables to the label on the controller. Unplug the harness plug in the 5th position of the controller. Use a 2.5mm hex wrench to remove the 3 ACU cover bolts. Remove the cover. Remove the motor wire harness from the bike. Swap the harness. Reconnect the 3 bolt-on connections. Be sure to match the colors to the designated position shown on the label. Replace the small cable cover plate. Follow up by reconnecting the pink motor harness plug into the controller by aligning the arrow and firmly pressing the plug into the controller. Feed the motor hub connection into the battery compartment and out of the ACU opening. Replace the controller and cover assembly back into the frame of the bike. Reinstall the 2 controller cover plate bolts using a 2.5mm hex wrench, and be sure to replace the ACU cover plate and install the 3 mounting bolts using a 2.5mm hex wrench. Reconnect the motor cable connection by aligning the arrows on the plugs and firmly pressing the connection together. Replace the zip tie to attach the cable to the frame. Trim the excess zip tie. With the bike upright, reinstall the battery by inserting the bottom first and pressing the top to lock it in place. Press and hold the center power button to power on the bike to test for proper function.